Good afternoon, everyone. Let me start with a few simple questions. We know AI is everywhere, so how many people have used ChatGPT or Cloud from Anthropic? If so, raise your hands. All right, so almost everyone. And then how many people think AGI will happen in the next 5 years? If so, raise your hands. Okay, great. So if we think AGI is close, do we want only let those centralized companies on these advanced AGI models, or do we want everyone have access to AGIs? And if you want them to, just want OpenAI to own the AGI, just raise your hands. All right, we see one. So that's good. We'll let OpenAI know your thought. But yeah, it looks like everyone believe that AI should be shared among everyone and should be like democratized. And so that's the mission of Hyperbolic. Before that, let me start with introduction. So I'm Jasper. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Hyperbolic. I did my math PhD at UC Berkeley. I finished it in 2 years, which made me the fastest person to finish a PhD in the history of Berkeley. Before that, I did my undergrad at Peking University, graduated highest honor. I won a few gold medals in different math competitions. And before founding Hyperbolic Labs, I worked at Avalabs and Citadel Securities. My co-founder, Yu Chen, was a CS PhD at University of Washington. He was doing AI research, especially AI systems and networking. And after that, he worked at an AI company called Octo AI, which built an AI compiler that can compile different AI models on heterogeneous devices, including NVIDIA, AMD, Intel GPUs. And so we have raised 3 rounds so far. We raised 20 million backed by prestigious investors like Lightspeed, Polychain, Variant, and many other VCs. And we have a strong lineup of different advice. Oh, look, somehow the format doesn't look well on PPT, but we have like Renaud Singh, who's the co-founder of Databricks. We have Raluca from UC Berkeley, Siamak from Columbia, Ima from Hong Kong University, and UC Berkeley too. So the mission that we have is that we want to democratize AI innovation, and also we want to accelerate AI evolution. And so we know that compute is the foundation for everything, right? Like everyone is struggling with getting access to compute, while Meta, OpenAI, Anthropic, they're spending a lot of money on buying the computes and training advanced models on that. I have many friends who have great ideas, who are like professors, researchers, postdocs at different universities and labs, but like they're still struggling with getting access to those GPUs. In the meantime, there are actually tons of idle computes in the world. So we have like around 2 billion personal computers around the world, and half of them sit idle for more than 19 hours. There are also many, many GPUs that used to mine Ethereum. In total, the computational power is equivalent to 10 million 4090, and now they just sit idle. And even more, there are many, many data centers that have the advanced GPUs like H100s, A100s, but they're also trying to find the customer that need those GPUs. So what we're doing first is that we want to first combine the global GPU resources, build the biggest GPU network in the world, and we also try to find come up with a solution that can utilize different kinds of GPUs. So we invented a new technology called Hyperbolic Compiling Service that can compile different AI models into any kinds of GPUs, including NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, Intel, etc. And we currently have launched the inference service for more than 8 months, and we're integrated with Hugging Face, Quora, and many other Web 2 and Web 3 companies. The second important piece is how do you build this orchestration layer that can actually connect global GPUs. So what we invented is called Hyperbolic Decentralized Operating System. And so any machine, even it's just MacBook or like a server computer in the data center, you just need to download up software and then run it within 1 minute. And after that, your machine become a node, a cluster in our network. And any user on our platform can easily orchestrate those GPUs within just like a few commands. The network is up. We now have more than thousands of H100s and many other GPUs. We're facing like almost 100% utilization. And soon enough, we're going to open the gate to the public, and anyone can contribute GPUs to our platform. Then the second problem that we need to solve is that the verification. So we want to make sure that that even it's run by a random third-party node, we can still make sure that the GPU is real and then the computation that they're doing is correct. And so we invented a new verification mechanism called proof of sampling. It's a joint invention with UC Berkeley and Columbia. Due to the time limit, I will just skip that. And then lastly, we're trying to protect users' privacy even in the random node. And so we are going to use TEE as a solution to solve that. So I would say the vision of Hyperbolic is that we want to build an open AI ecosystem where anyone can come and contribute their resources that they have. So if you have compute, come to provide compute to our platform. But if you want to create new AI models or do like advanced AI research, you can access these enormous GPU resources on platform and then conduct the AI research that you want. So thank you so much.